घरहरूको असर खिच्नु पर्यो कि हामी चाहिँ हिँडे अब चाहिँ सानो अन्टिनातिर एलेक्स एलेक्स
Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Welcome. Doing good. Thanks for asking. Welcome to the San Antonio River House. Welcome to Go Rio Cruises. My name is August. I'll be your boat driver today. Couple of safety tips before we get started. No smoking, no vaping on the boat. It is a city mandate that we don't smoke on river level. And then we do have some life jackets in the helm hatch right in front of my helm. Haven't had to use them before, so we'll try to keep it that way. And then just stay seated throughout the tour, please. With those safety rules said, we could get started. Has anybody seen the movie Selena? Filmed in 1997, starring Jennifer Lopez. There's a scene in the movie that's filmed on the Riverwalk, and this is the bridge that they filmed it on. Our Selena Bridge. Two hotels I want to point out in this area. The one on the right, Mucara Hotel, is the same building with balconies on it. This opened up in 1901 as the Elfridge Saddlery Company, and they created saddles and harnesses for anyone and everyone to speak of. On the left side, we have the Omni La Mansión. This building started off in 1852 as St. Mary's School for Boys. 1860. It turned into St. Mary's Law School. And then it wasn't until the 1960s that they started converting the buildings downtown into hotels. We were leaving so the Omni started getting converted by two alumni from the law school into a hotel. I want to show y'all guys an optical illusion. As we exit out the bridge, you'll look to the left and you'll look all the way to the top of the building. This is going to look like a flat wall. To the left, all the way to the top.
के छ माउ हालखबर बहिनी के छ हालखबर
एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेछ दाइ
रमाइलो भएको छ नि कहाँको खास आज
हामी यो सान एन्टोनियो वाटर पार्क होइन भन्ने ठाउँमा आएको खास
साइड वक हो रिभर साइड रिभर वक पत्रकारले जस्तो सोधिदिनु पर्यो यताबाट मेरो पनि खिच त मलाई पनि हेर्नुहोस् त मान्छेहरूले होइन
This building is actually really big. If you look back at it, you kind of see the scale of the
आज हामी चाहिँ सन्डे पारेर चाहिँ यसो घुम्न हिँडेको है
सन्डे पारेर
And then you can tell the restaurants are starting to pick up a little bit more. Starting to turn into Restaurant Row around the bend. I'll point it out when we get there. The Hyatt Regency's ahead of us. This hotel.
sorry हेरे टर्न आयो टर्न वाउ घुम्ने
It's the Alamo cut right to the base of the hotel. The doors are titled the shop, the Paseo de Alamo.
यतै खिच्यो कि यतै खिच्यो
And because the Alamo is on the other side, they did have to do some shadow testing.
यतैबाट उता गएपछि कति छोड्छ कि
Shadow cannot cast on a battle memorial, so they had to make sure this was the perfect height. And they settled at 16 floors. And that was finished in 1981.
घुममा हेर डकलिङ पनि छ
At night, they'll have a nice little jazz
चाहिँ
band
न्युयोर्कमा
out
आएको
here.
जस्तो फिल भइरहेछ है अब आफू त पहिला फर्स्टमा न्युयोर्क बसेको भएर होला आई थिङ्क
त्यो घोप्टो नपऱ्यो तिम्रो बी केयरफुल
Restaurant Row. This is where the majority of the restaurants reside. The first building on the right side is a historic building. It opened up in 1927 by German settlers. This was their social club meeting hall. And the first 2 floors are Sawgrass now. The top 4 floors of the Casino Club building are apartments. This is a rent-controlled riverside living complex that we see on the right side. And then of course, so many different options in this area to pick from. Has anybody been able to come out and eat yet over here at the Restaurant Row? It is this Sunday, so I'll just double check with their hours for tonight. But they did start opening up around noon, and you can see a little bit now on the river.
यो आइहाल्छ नि यसो यतिको राखेपछि
रमाइलो भइरहेछ
The other place is the agave over there.
लाइभमा हुनुहुन्छ त है
म लाइभ होइन म भिडियो रेकर्डिङमा छु
ए भिडियो जस्ट भिडियो
अँ। यो चाहिँ एकछिनमा युट्युबमा जान्छ कि त्यो।
On the right side, we
Dog lines are
the
guarding.
building, the balcony on the building has
Guarding
the
dog
name
lines,
of
dog.
IA architect Robert Hugman, the architect of the Riverwalk. They have his statue by the staircase on the right side.
धेरै घोप्टनु
And
है
again, this is the guy who thought of all the sidewalks down here, the footbridges, the floodgates, the flood control channel,
पानीमा जान्छ पानी
and all
देखाउँछ
the riverside dining shops on the Riverwalk.
यसरी।
कन्फर्म चाहिँ बाबा
It took about 5 years for somebody to follow Robert Hugman down here and actually the right This is the first restaurant to establish on the Riverwalk. This is the first restaurant to do this riverside dining on this stage.
त्यो होटलहरु पनि देखाउनु
Hey guys! We are going to see our Torch of Friendship. It's on the left side on street level. It's kind of behind this elevator. You see this big red sculpture, kind of twisted at the top.